Warwick City Hall is too kind. They are great supporters of small businesses. And we have been a business owner here in Warwick since 1999. And we owned a boat dealership up until just recently. But we also have a 34-year-old special needs son who is autistic. And back in 2014, as he was starting to age out of the special needs programs that are available, or the school system, if you will, I decided I need to come up with what's the plan for Jason? What's going to happen? Where's he going to go? What's his day going to look like? The programs that were available didn't seem like a good fit for me or for our family. So I decided if I own multiple companies, as does his dad, so should he. So we needed to create a company for him.
And that's when Be Jammin was born, out of Jason's love for food.
He likes crunchy things. So what if we came up with some jam on crackers? He'll eat it, he'll be enticed to do some more, and we can expound on his, dietary intake. Let's see what we can do. So we started off with 6 flavors of jam. Didn't want to go too big. And he loved it. He loved everything about it. He was very motivated. And I thought, well, this is great. Now, what do I do with this jam that I made? So we need to sell it.
So Deb found a farmer in Smithfield who was willing to help.
And I said, if I get all the licenses and the permits, would you allow us to run a farmer's market on your property? And he said, well, one question, can you tell me why my property? And I said, of course. When my son comes here, it's wide open, it's all green, there are Christmas trees. I said, his demeanor is very calm. I think we will hit a home run. He's very comfortable at this particular farm. And he said, go for it. So we did it, and it became successful, and it was a weekly market. So I said, okay, time to grow this. So the next thing we did is we had a farm stand built on the same farm and said, now he's going to go there every day to work, just like you and I,
right.
And he's going to sell his products in his farm stand. And he did it.
This led to the brick and mortar business in Warwick and an expansion of the product line.
He has 104 flavors, and he does about 65 shows a year. And he is just an amazing little man.
And they were your recipes?
There are family recipes. And then we very quickly caught on that people will give you their favorite recipes. And my grandmother, or they'll say, my aunt used to make this or this. We just had a customer yesterday ask for tomato jam. I've never heard of it, but I'm going to look it up.
Slowly, Jason's joyful personality and signature fist bump were starting to make him a bit of a local celebrity.
What you want as a parent of a child with a disability is for them to be like everyone else, to the best of their ability. So with Jason, he has those qualities. You just have to pull it out of him, and you needed to create it. You try to give him the tools you've got and work with what you have and see what you can create for him. So he's for a child that's very autistic, who should not be, socially active. It's not usually something they're very good at. He's very social. He's a very social butterfly, very charming, very much enjoys being out in the public, and we enjoy him being out in the public. And if he's going to be the stepping stone for another family to say, what if? Or my child enjoys doing this, or I wonder if, then I want them to look at him and say, it can be done.
And since this is a show about Warwick, how is the city factored in?
When we brought the business to Warwick, Warwick is a very welcoming community. They're very supportive of small businesses. They're very supportive of individuals with disabilities. And they've been there and supported him and been his biggest cheerleader. And look how far he's come.
With 4 additional support staff, Jason has helped through his days. But because of his autism, Deb has become a huge supporter of the Warwick Police Department, especially the K-9 unit.
Having very limited verbal skills and being able to wander, that's not a good combination. If they wander, for whatever reason, by accident, something catches their attention, you're not going to call Domino's. You're going to call the police department. And the police department isn't going to send in the SWAT team or traffic. They're going to send in the dogs to try to find him.
Yep.
Or any individual who goes missing.
Be Jammin is a social enterprise company. The mission is to give back. By hosting events, money is raised. And as is the case in Warwick, much of the funding goes to the community division of the Warwick Police.
We continue to support many departments. We love our boys here in Warwick. Again, can't say enough, Warwick Police Department is amazing. They recently brought in an autism vehicle that goes in and about the community and has information for families that have some fun little activity things in the vehicle as well. And that, as a parent, for, a business owner and a parent of a child with special needs, it's just huge. It's just huge.
And they did it because of him.
They did.
That's crazy.
They did.
See, that's the special part of this story, is that it only takes one.
It only takes one. It takes a village to raise them,
Right.
But it only takes that one. There's no ceiling on where he's going. There's just not. Watch for him on Shark Tank.